Oh, my spot's occupied. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna push you all away here. What's going on? Quick. Come on, fly away. Sorry geese. Or ducks. Okay, they're not moving. What's going on here? I don't want to run one over. Alright, hopefully I don't back into anything here. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is this vent to atmosphere mod, VTA. It is, this part here was $13 plus tax and shipping. Canadian, it came to about $16, made in China. So this will plug the stock piping or tubing from the stock blow-off valve, so where the pressure gets rerouted back into the intake, this will block it off, making the pressure vent to atmosphere, giving it the psh sound. So let's go ahead and do it. It's very simple. You come under here, and I don't even think I'll need a hoist or a lift. So come under here. It is this hose right here. So you're just gonna pop this off. Not just like that. Comes off super easy. Plug this, I believe, in there. I don't even know if I got that part on video, but it literally just pops in and it's stuck in there now. Now this is kind of flapping around, so I don't know, not like a huge fan of that, but should be all right. And if you ever got to go back for warranty work, just pop this off and put it back on. It's really no big deal. So let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. Doesn't do it when you're just idling and parked, but when you're driving, it definitely does it. So I'll put it to miles per hour for you Americans. Oh, yeah, it's pretty loud actually. Oh yeah, look, these people are looking. Now I can actually taunt the Rams and the Chevy, because none of them want to race. I don't know if they just don't want to race because they know they're gonna lose, but when I'm in my car, every truck wants to race me, and when I'm in this, nobody wants to race. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the VTA mod. Now my next mod's gonna be a K&N drop-in filter. It's like 75-80 bucks Canadian, so it's very cheap and it does gain you some power. So what I'm gonna do is, I do have a draggy meter, so I have done some 0 to 60 times before and quarter-mile time. So what I'll do is I'll actually redo my quarter-mile and 0 to 60 times. Maybe I'll do 2 pulls from a dead stop, no brake boost, just so I can have like an accurate measurement. Maybe I'll do 2 or 3 stock, and then we'll put the K&N drop-in filter and then do 2 or 3 right after. So that way, well, I'll let it cool down a bit, but in the same daily temperature, like outside temperature. So that way it's very accurate, well, as accurate as you can get, just to see the performance difference, if it does any. I know on a dyno, they have been proven to gain like 5 wheel horsepower, and that's just NA. I feel like turbos, they definitely respond to mods better. So I'm gonna do the K&N drop-in with the before and after 0 to 60. If you want to see that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can stay updated. I also have an Acura TL that I am modding, and I am going for a supercharger kit, but right now we're just trying to finish the mods, get some weight reduction. But anyways, so I do want to make more content with this, so if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, feel free to comment, share, subscribe. I do want to also get the JB4 for this. There's not very much reviews or videos with the JB4. I know a real tune would be better, but I still have warranty, so I don't want to like risk it too much. So the JB4 is my safest bet. I know there's still a chance it can void it, but it's just a chance I'll have to take, I guess. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.